Okay, so for my project, I explained the Newton's laws of motions, and I did it on Google Docs, and it shows you everything on here, and I thought I'd just explain it better in detail. So for the Newton's first law of motion, every object in a straight line unless acted upon by a force. So that means that if it's acted on only by something that is moving in a straight line, then it'll go in a straight line, like it won't go off path. But if it's acted upon a force, such as someone kicking a soccer ball, the path will be changed because of the force that was used. The second one is the rope in tug of war, which this is really where you can see, it's going to go back and forth until someone finally pulls hard enough to get to win the tug of war. This also is showing force on both ends being pulled, and eventually one person goes, or it goes the other way before the team wins, which is using force on the rope. For the second law of motion, the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force exerted and inversely proportional to the object's mass. So this means that when somebody is pushing a shopping cart, if the shopping cart is empty, it's going to be a lot easier to push because you're not going to be exerting so much force onto the object. It's going to move a lot easier. Whereas if the cart is full, you'll be pushing harder because it weighs more. The amount of force exerted has to do a lot with its weight and mass of the object. For the Newton's third law of motion, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So the first one shows in a picture of a man jumping off of a boat. Say this boat was smaller, I just couldn't find a photo that I liked, so I went with this one. When you jump off the boat, you're going to be going this way, whereas the boat is going to move backwards. So if the boat is, this is the boat and this is the person, when the person jumps off the edge of the boat, then the boat is going to move backwards, whereas you're going to move forwards. The second picture is a picture of a lady diving, and she's diving off the board. So when the lady's here and she uses motion and she jumps off the board, the lady is going to go down, and when she's diving, and the board is going to move up. Those are the Newton's 3 laws of motion.